Welcome to Learning Lee. Hey everybody, you don't know what I'm doing? Okay. I'm gonna show you what I did. Snow globes. Mommy's gonna open them with scissors, and scissors are dangerous, so she's over there, Mommy's over there, and everyone thinks I'm cool, and water is right here, don't spill it, and you can do this at home if you buy that, okay? Buy that, okay? So mine is gonna get started. Are you gonna make snow globes with me?
I'm gonna help you out. Open it up and see what you got.
Okay. Boy, and this not getting out.
Get some help.
Yes. Layers of things and layers. Whoa. Elsa and Anna and Sophia.
All right. So take everything out.
And Elsa and Anna and Elsa. What? And what are these? Oh, layers. Okay. And
Are those your globes?
yeah, my globes. And what is this?
I think it's glitter.
Oh, it's shiny. Oh, no. Very good. Missing out. Oh. Whoa.
Good job.
My 2 and 3. And why I can't get this off?
I will help.
Mommy's gonna
So describe what you got there.
This is glitter. This is our snow globes. We cannot put the characters in here yet, but we have to put that on the saber, and we have Elsa and Anna and Olaf here.
These are your bottoms for
And
your snow globes.
Those are my bottoms for the snow globes and glitters. Let's get started! So now I have to put the characters on. And Mommy, I can get this. So
Yep.
the characters are stuck in there. They say, I need help! Don't cut us! Like that.
There you go.
I'm going to put them out.
Okay.
Whoa.
Show the camera what you have.
Elsa. And Anna's the best. And Olaf, look. He sees if he's like waking up. Look. He looks like he's waking up. He's waking up. I want to do Elsa first.
Okay. So pick what color you want for Elsa.
Elsa is blue, so I want this one blue.
Okay. You put her on there.
The whole. And now I have to put glitter in here.
Well, yes, but you have to make sure that she's on there really good. Do you want me to help?
Ah! I'm falling! Ow! My face! Look, that looks like her owies.
Yeah.
Ow! Owie!
Do you want Mommy to help you put on it?
Thank you! Oh!
Okay, so while I do that, why don't you turn over one of the globes?
One of the globes?
Yep, just like that. And which glitter do you want to do?
I want this one for Elsa. This one is very pretty, so I want this one. Look.
Okay.
I need scissors to cut this.
Just a minute, I gotta work on trying to get her in here. All right.
Not a stay.
So there's Miss Elsa.
Miss Elsa.
Okay.
But I got owies.
It's okay.
I got owies. Look,
Have a seat.
she can spin.
So you don't fall. Yep.
She can spin. Look, guys. She can spin.
Okay. Now in the globe, I want you to pour a little bit of water.
Okay.
Very carefully because it might fall.
It's okay.
Okay.
This is enough.
I would keep going. And you wanted this glitter?
That's enough.
Let's do just a little bit more. That should probably be good. All right, and then put your glitter in there.
Okay, a little bit of glitter. What? I was gonna be a little bit more.
Okay.
Whoa, that's a lot.
That's
But a little bit more. There.
Okay.
Um.
And then you're going to take Elsa, put her upside down into the water, and twist that on there.
Twist it like this way.
Make sure it's really secure on there, okay?
Yeah.
All right. You turn it over.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Like,
Maybe we should put a little bit more water in it?
no.
You like it like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Girls and boys.
All right, which one do you want to do next?
Olaf is easy to put on.
It's kind of hard. Perfect.
I did it.
You did it.
And now I want this one on a wall. Because he's white.
Mm-hmm.
And Anna has to be on this one. So I'm going to get Anna on there. I'm going to not start on her. Oh. Whoa! She fell down.
It's okay. Try to do Olaf. Do the water for Olaf. And try to fill it all the way up.
It's okay if I
Yeah,
make
it's all
a
right.
mess. Okay, a glow. What? This one is good for Olaf because she wants to
Yeah, fill it all the way up.
all the way up.
Keep going. Perfect. Woo! Don't let it fall. All right, put your snow in there.
Whoa, snow, snow.
Whoa, that is really cool.
I'm gonna put some little bit more. That's okay. The snow is Whoa, it feels
What did it do?
else up the water. Look.
What?
Do that.
Did it make snow?
Yeah.
I didn't know it was gonna do that.
Oh.
That's really cool. Let me go get a ball for you to put that in.
Ball?
Yeah.
That's
a bowl.
a bowl. Snow! It's okay if I put Olaf in there.
Not yet.
Olaf loves snow. Olaf loves snow.
I didn't know it was gonna do that. It really is snow. That is really cool.
Whoa, the rest is not getting out. Ah! It's getting on me. Ah!
Okay, let's go ahead and make your snow globe, and then we can play in this for a little while, because that's pretty cool.
I want Olaf to be in this.
Okay.
Because he
So
doesn't...
pour your water in again. Let me go get you some more water.
Okay. This is so amazing snow! Oh my gosh! This is so snow!
Okay.
That's so cool. I want
Finish
to
up your snow globes. And,
glitter.
oh, wait. We got to put water in this, okay? I think it actually does make snow. So finish up your snow globes, and then we'll play in the snow.
Okay.
That was crazy.
That was crazy. I didn't know that. At the very top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's
Okay. Put your glitter in there.
put my glitter. Where's my glitter? Okay. Look. I want glitter in my
You can put a
snow.
little bit. Okay, put it in your snow globe.
Ah!
Not all of it, because we've got to save some for Anna, too. Good job.
There.
Okay,
Fix it.
now take Olaf and do the same
What?
thing you did with Elsa.
Look.
It's okay.
Okay. Have to spread it everywhere. And Olaf put it in there. And snow glue it. Is this how I open it? Oh.
Uh-oh. Is he not on all the way? Here, let Mommy see. You can start on Anna.
Anna, here you go, Anna. Anna.
Okay. Mr. Olaf's done.
Mr. Olaf. Mr. Olaf. Look, he looks like he's waking up in the water. Look.
Okay.
Mr. Anna. Get on.
Get some help.
Look.
Yeah. Let me see her.
And now I'm gonna fill up Anna's bowl.
Okay.
Wait, I have to get this sticker off. Upper there. Sticker. This sticker. Good.
Okay. Anna's ready to go.
Joy.
You can put the rest of it.
Put all of it? Whoa.
Anna's gonna be super sparkly.
Super sparkly. Super sparkly. I'm trying to roll her up. Whoa, Anna, don't get in the water. Look at that.
That is cool.
Her sparkly head.
So what do you think of this, the snow globes? Do you like them?
Yeah, and I like the thing. Can I want to put all the white snow in there.
You can put the rest of the snow in the cup with the water.
And then?
In that one.
And then
see what happens. It's gonna make snow. That is so crazy.
Why does it make snow?
It just does. It's called crazy snow.
Crazy snow. Whoa, it feels good. Can I dive in it?
Can you dive in it? I don't think you can dive in it.
No, can I dive in it with my hands? I want.
All right, guys. Well, we will make a video with the snow since we now have that and we didn't know. Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later. I love my snow globes. Dig up the big hole. I need a digger. Okay, dig a hole. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. There, a big hole for this digger. And now, jump it in there.
Snowing.
Oh, maybe Elsa and Anna will snow on.
Yeah.
Where's the sticker?
I don't know.
Maybe I digged it up. Maybe I have to dig it up. Dig. Now I have to dig up. Stick it. Now I have 4 more snow. And pat it down, we'll pat it down, pat it down, we'll pat it down. Pat, pat. I'm gonna dig, dig, that extra dig, dig, that extra dig, dig. I don't feel anything. Dig, 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 I don't feel anything in the snow. Dump it. Okay. More snow and pat it down. Okay. Dump all the snow. Did you see any sticker coming out of that?
I didn't.
Maybe it's not here. Now I have to pat it down. Pat, 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 pat.